Believe in the power of your dreams. They hold the blueprint to your extraordinary life. Dreams become reality when fueled by determination and unwavering faith. Manifesting your dream life starts with envisioning it vividly in your mind's eye. Every step towards your dream life is a step closer to living your purpose. Embrace your dreams fearlessly, for they are the seeds of your destiny. Manifestation begins with setting clear intentions and aligning your actions accordingly. Dream big, but remember, it's the small, consistent steps that lead to grand achievements. Your dream life is within reach. All it takes is the courage to take the first step. Visualize success, work diligently, and watch your dream life unfold before your eyes. Obstacles are opportunities in disguise. Face them head-on as you manifest your dreams. Patience and perseverance are the keys that unlock the door to your dream life. Manifestation is the art of turning dreams into tangible reality. When you believe in your dreams, the universe conspires to make them a reality. Stay focused on your vision, and you'll attract the right opportunities to manifest your dream life. No dream is too big when backed by relentless determination and unshakable self-belief. Create a vision board of your dream life and watch how it influences your journey. Align your thoughts, words, and actions with your dreams. They hold the power to shape your reality. Your dream life is a reflection of your inner world. Cultivate positivity to attract abundance. Every day presents a chance to manifest your dream life. Make the most of each opportunity. With gratitude as your compass and dreams as your destination, you'll manifest the life you desire.